Title: DJI Mini 5 Pro leaks reveal game-changing features, everything you need to know. Hashtag introduction. The next evolution of DJI's mini drone series. DJI has long dominated the drone industry with its cutting-edge technology and consistent innovation. As we edge closer to the rumored release of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, leaks are beginning to paint an exciting picture of what's to come. With major improvements in camera capabilities, battery life, obstacle avoidance, and intelligent flight modes, this new drone is shaping up to be a game-changer for drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. In this deep dive, we'll explore all the leaks, rumors, and expected upgrades surrounding the DJI Mini 5 Pro, comparing it with its predecessors and assessing how it stacks up against competitors in the compact drone market. Whether you're a drone photographer, vlogger, traveler, or first-time flyer, this comprehensive breakdown will cover everything you need to know before the official release. Let's take off. Hashtag design and build. A sleeker, more robust mini drone? One of the first things drone enthusiasts look for in a new model is its design and build quality. Based on leaked renders and insider information, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to maintain its lightweight structure, but with subtle refinements for better aerodynamics and durability. Hashtag key design leaks asterisk. Enhanced aerodynamics asterisk. A redesigned frame may improve wind resistance and flight efficiency. Foldable arm improvements asterisk. A more compact foldable design for better portability. New gimbal mechanism asterisk. A more robust gimbal housing for better stability and durability. Updated material composition asterisk. DJI may introduce a stronger yet lightweight material to improve durability while keeping the drone under 249 grams, ensuring compliance with many global drone regulations. These refinements suggest that DJI is aiming to improve overall flight efficiency, stability, and portability, making the Mini 5 Pro an ideal travel companion for aerial photography enthusiasts. Hashtag camera upgrades. 4K, larger sensor, and enhanced AI features. The camera is the heart of any drone, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to push the boundaries with significant upgrades in imaging technology. Hashtag expected camera features asterisk. Larger image sensor asterisk. Reports suggest a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a massive upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor, promising better low-light performance and dynamic range. 4K HDR video recording asterisk. Higher frame rates with improved HDR capabilities for ultra-clear footage. 48MP or higher photo resolution asterisk. More detailed still photography with enhanced AI-driven post-processing. Variable aperture, f/1.7, f/11, allowing better control over depth of field and exposure. AI-powered image processing asterisk. Enhanced computational photography features such as smart HDR, night mode, and deep fusion technology. Hybrid zoom asterisk. Improved digital and optical zoom capabilities for better close-up shots. These camera enhancements could make the DJI Mini 5 Pro a serious competitor in the high-end drone photography market, appealing to content creators, real estate photographers, and filmmakers alike. Hashtag battery life and charging. Longer flights, faster charging. Battery life is a critical factor for drone users, and DJI appears to be making major strides with the Mini 5 Pro's power system. Hashtag leaked battery specs asterisk. Extended flight time asterisk. A rumored 45-minute flight time, surpassing the Mini 4 Pro's 34-minute battery life. Higher capacity battery asterisk. Possibly a 500 mAh or larger intelligent battery with improved energy efficiency. Fast charging support asterisk. Potential for USB-C PD fast charging, reducing downtime between flights. Battery health management system asterisk. DJI may introduce a smart battery health feature to prolong battery lifespan and optimize performance. A longer battery life combined with quick charging technology would give pilots more flexibility when capturing aerial shots on the go. Hashtag flight performance and speed enhancements. Hashtag key upgrades in flight performance asterisk. Faster max speed asterisk. Potential increase from 16 ms/s, Mini 4 Pro, to 18 to 20 ms/s. Improved wind resistance asterisk. Enhanced motor power and aerodynamics for stability in higher wind conditions. Quiet propeller technology asterisk. DJI may introduce new low-noise propellers, making flights more discreet. Redesigned controller asterisk, a more ergonomic controller with enhanced grip, better transmission range, and improved latency. These refinements would enhance overall flight experience, making it smoother and more efficient, even in challenging weather conditions. Hashtag advanced obstacle avoidance and AI flight features. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to include cutting-edge safety and AI-powered flight assistance features. Hashtag expected features asterisk. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance asterisk, a full 360-degree obstacle sensing system, surpassing the Mini 4 Pro's front and rear sensors. Advanced return to home. RTH, more precise navigation for safe landings in complex environments. Follow Me Mode 2.0 asterisk, improved subject tracking for dynamic shots during action sports, hiking, and vlogging. Waypoints and smart path planning asterisk, custom preset routes with AI-assisted flight path optimization. Gesture Control 2.0 asterisk, enhanced hand gesture recognition for hands-free control. With these AI-driven features, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could offer one of the most autonomous flying experiences, making it perfect for beginner pilots and professionals alike. Hashtag release date and price predictions. While DJI has not officially confirmed a launch date, industry insiders suggest a Q3 or Q4 2025 release window. Hashtag pricing expectations asterisk. Standard version asterisk around $799, $899. Combo package, with extra batteries and accessories around $999, $199. These prices would position the Mini 5 Pro as a premium compact drone, competing with other high-end models like the Autel Evo Nano Plus and DJI Air 3. Hashtag final thoughts. Should you wait for the DJI Mini 5 Pro? If you're in the market for a lightweight, high-performance drone with cutting-edge features, the DJI Mini 5 Pro looks like it will be worth the wait. With significant upgrades in camera technology, battery life, obstacle avoidance, and AI-assisted flight, it's shaping up to be a must-have for drone enthusiasts and professionals. Are you excited about the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Let us know in the comments what features you're looking forward to the most. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest DJI news, leaks, and comparisons.